Top 5 secrets your car mechanic doesn't want you to know. Ever feel like you're being taken for a ride at the auto shop? We're revealing the top 5 secrets your mechanic might be keeping under the hood, empowering you to save money and make informed decisions. Let's dive in. Mechanics sometimes suggest services you don't actually need. This is called upselling. They might recommend a premium oil change when a standard one is perfectly fine for your car. Always ask for a detailed explanation of why a service is necessary. Don't be afraid to get a second opinion from another mechanic. Knowledge is power. Generic parts are often cheaper than original equipment manufacturer, OEM parts. Mechanics might push OEM parts, claiming they're superior. While OEM parts are often high quality, generic parts can be just as good and save you money. Discuss the pros and cons of each option with your mechanic. Consider the age and value of your car when making your decision. Sometimes, saving money on generic parts is the smarter choice. Engine flushes, transmission flushes, coolant flushes. The list goes on. Mechanics often recommend these services as preventative maintenance. However, many manufacturers don't require them as frequently as mechanics suggest. Check your owner's manual for the recommended maintenance schedule. Overflushing can sometimes do more harm than good. Stick to the manufacturer's recommendations. Simple problems can sometimes be misdiagnosed as complex ones. A loose gas cap can trigger a check engine light, but a mechanic might suggest replacing the entire fuel system. This is a common tactic to inflate the bill. Invest in an OBD2 scanner to read the error codes yourself. This can give you a better understanding of the problem before you take your car to the shop. Knowledge is your best defense. Labor rates vary significantly between shops. Some mechanics charge exorbitant hourly rates, even for simple tasks. Always ask for a written estimate before authorizing any work. Compare labor rates at different shops in your area. Don't be afraid to negotiate the price. A little research can save you a lot of money. Now that you're armed with these insider secrets, you're ready to take control of your car repairs. Don't let mechanics take advantage of your lack of knowledge. Empower yourself further. Download our free checklist of essential car maintenance tips from the link in the description. Subscribe to our channel for more money-saving car advice, and share this video with your friends and family so they can avoid getting ripped off too. Let's keep each other informed and on the road to savings.